Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali and in this video I'll show you how to change boring PowerPoint slides from this to this. Simply we'll open a blank slide, go to insert and add rectangle shape on top of slide. Then go back to shapes and add text box. Type welcome, increase font size to 150 and font style to Arial black. Perfect. Now make another copy of the text box by holding Ctrl and dragging it down. Reduce font size to 54 and rename it. Now we'll select both the text box as well as rectangle shape. Go to shape format, merge shape and click on combine. Again go to shape format. Select white color for shape fill and no shape outline. Okay, now we'll go to media, then stock videos and select whatever video you like. I'll go with this one. Now from here right click and select send to back. Perfect. Now as you can see it looks professional and so much better than this. Kindly do subscribe our channel if you like the video. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.